Hello everyone. In this video we will cover two questions based on pseudocode. Okay, so let's start. So here is our first question. In the first line of this code, the 5 integer variables have been declared as I, j, k, l and m. Okay, and here the value of m is not declared, right? So in the second line we have that is m equals to I plus j plus k plus l float 4, which means we have to solve this equation I plus j plus k plus l float 4, then we will get the value of m, right? Let's see. Next we are given if. It's if condition which says if m is greater than 6 then print OK. If this condition is true, m greater than 6, or the value of m is greater than 6, then print OK. If this condition is not true, then what we will do? Then we will move towards the else part, this one, okay, which says print no. So to run this if condition, what we have to do? We have to find first the value of m. So let's find the value of m. To find the value of m, we will see that in the second line of this code it is given that m equals to I plus j plus k plus l float 4. Okay, so what we will do first, we will solve l float 4 first. Why? Because precedence of float is more than addition. Remember this, the precedence of float is greater than the addition. Okay, so let's solve l float 4. The current value of l is 4 and 4 by 4 is 1, right? So one thing we can do is, here we will put variables as I plus j plus k plus 1. So let's put the value and then do the addition. So 9 plus 7 is 16 and 16 plus 8 is 24 and 24 plus 1 is 25, right? Now what we have, m equals to 25. Okay, now we have the value. Let's see. Now this time we will check what is m greater than 6. Okay, it's our if condition. So let's put the value of m, which is 25, right? If a 25 is greater than 6, then print OK. So let's see. Let's check the condition is true or not. Is 25 greater than 6? Condition is true. So this time we will print OK, right? We will not move towards the else part. This part, no, we will not move towards this part. Okay, so what will be the output of the pseudocode is OK. It will print OK, right? So this is our second question. See, in this code we have the value of a equals to 8 and b equals to 7, and the next given is a equals to a plus 1, means the value of a is increasing by 1, right? Next given is b equals to b minus 1. Here the value of b is decreasing, right? The value of b is decreasing by 1. Okay, so next given is a equals to a plus b, means here what will be the value of a, which will be a plus b. So here the addition of both the variables is happening. Okay, next given is if condition, which says if a greater than b, then print b. Okay, else print a. So let's find the values of a and b. So a, we have the value of a we have is 8. Okay, the current value of a is 8, and 8 plus 1 becomes 9, right? So we have a equals to 9. Next, what we will find, that value of b. Now we are finding the value of b. So the current value of b is 7, and 7 minus 1, which is 6. Okay, so the value of b we have is 6, right? This is a and this is the value of b. Okay, what the next given is a equals to a plus b, right? So we will add these both values. Okay, the value of a is, the current value of a is 9, and the current value of b is 6, right? 6, and 9 plus 6 is 15, correct? 9 plus 6 is 15. So now what we have is a equals to 15. कैसे हुआ? a plus b किया, मतलब 9 plus 6 which is 15, correct. Now we will move towards the if condition, and our condition says, what our condition says, if a greater than b, then print b. क्या print करेगा? b. So let's put the value of a and b. Okay, so the value of a we have is 15, and the value of b we have is 6, right? So is the condition is true? Is the condition true? Is 15 greater than 6? Yes, condition is true. So we will not move towards the else part, right? We will not move towards the else part, and we will print b. And what we have, b is 6. The value of b is 6. So what will be the output of our pseudocode is 6, because we have the value of b is 6. Okay, this will be the answer. Thanks for watching.